So guys, we're gonna go spy on my friend Kepler today, or maybe, I don't know what we're gonna do. But
also, we have some mysterious images.
Yeah, we even got another camera.
Say hello. Okay, you're on pictures.
Dude, the staple it now, otherwise it's gonna be so bumpy.
Oh, dude, you're making it raw. Look, here's a mysterious image.
Oh, that's weird.
Okay.
Where's Cap?
Apparently you came too early. He's probably coming. Let's go.
Check this out, guys. We got a nice fort.
Yeah, look. This is twice the work as Griffin Allman.
Oh.
This is twice the work as Griffin Allman. Oh. Alright, so here's the mysterious image we were talking about. I could swear that I actually didn't take that.
Well, we could just upload that picture and then edit it.
Oh no, I don't want to edit it.
Why? No, I'm talking about edit it into the video so you don't have to show it to the screen. Hi, come on.
Okay, anyway, let's go. Turning this video.
And I could also scan it for a run. Oh, stop, Cap!
Dude, that's got insane. That's got insane.
Nice.
What the frick is that thing?
At the GoPro.
Oh, nice.
Here's
Okay,
Kepler's drone.
I'd recommend standing back. Yeah, oh gosh, that sounds nice.
That thing looks like the DJI Mavic Pro.
I know.
No, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro.
Oh yeah.
Kinda.
Actually,
Because the way the camera is, yeah.
is much more like it. Watch the camera. Hold on.
I'm gonna land it real quick.
No way.
Watch the camera.
That's crazy. Wow. All right.
Hit it.
Dude, it has insane lean. Okay. I think everybody should start taking cover. Okay, how fast does this go?
This is on speed 2 right now.
And there's 3 speeds?
Yeah.
Man, that thing is actually pretty fast.
I know. I mean, Luke, do you see that?
Come on. Let me get close up. Come on.
Yeah. Oh, 2. Bruh. Look at that nice battery. That's a huge battery, actually. Like,
Alright.
look at that size. All right, let's go.
Wait, what is this? Oh wait, that's setting the
Oh, I know. Don't do it. That is the worst thing possible, I feel like. Don't do it. It makes your controls way off.
Yeah. I'm not allowed to fly it, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I know, yeah. But it's my dad's doing.
Well,
You
and
can get back over concrete.
Oh god, that thing was about to like obliterate me.
Are you guys YouTubing?
Yeah.
Maybe, we're just practicing. We
Yeah.
don't know if we're gonna upload it, but we
Maybe.
might. We might.
maybe not. All right.
I might be able to go
Hey
get my
Luke,
other
you realize
drone
that there are
for
2
one
videos going?
Yeah, I'm starting the propellers. I'm pressing the button to take off, guys. Stop. That thing is stripped.
It's what?
That thing has strips, and like where you guys are standing, it was drifted into. And I haven't tested it yet, and I don't want to. See how bad it hurts when you run it into something.
Oh god.
Man.
Just let it.
That thing literally sounds like a DJI Mavic, or the DJI.
It almost looks like it. Just kidding. How much do you reckon this is? Oh yeah, I see that. Oh yeah.
Stop it. I think you're hot.
All right. So, okay.
Alright,
so
looks
as-
good, guys. I think we're good. Alright, let's do this. Wait, hold on. Don't take off. There we go.
drift. The side drift, I would see where it drift. Okay, backwards.
There we go.
Backwards and to the left. So you gotta click. Okay. Oh, okay.
Cap, you give me permission to put your face in it, in case we do upload it. Right?
Oh yeah, definitely, yeah.
Because I mean, no one wants every video to be blurred out faces. Like that would just not make it fun.
Okay.
Propellers are good.
Taking off.
You haven't gone to 3 yet?
Wait, what?
You haven't gone to speed 3 yet?
I was just doing it. Oh, really?
Woo! That thing does
Oh
have some
gosh,
lean.
okay, you're gonna be wasting, just so you know, the more you go full speed and do hard brakes like that, like what you're doing now, like going like, it'll actually waste battery. It'll use
Barely.
Oh, nice. Nice. Oh,
We're up.
nice recovery. Oh, you're gonna kill yourself.
Alright guys, well that is the first part of our video. Just to save it real quick, we're gonna go ahead and turn it off. See you later.